Welcome to the installation of the Yakima LongArm Trailer Hitch Extension. The LongArm is an aluminum T-bar system for 2-inch hitches that can help carry your kayaks or canoes at various heights on your truck. All hardware and wrenches are included for the installation. To begin, align the 2-hole side of the mast with the tongue and take your long bolt, washers, and nuts and insert the bolt into the bottom hole and tighten it up until it is fairly snug. It does not need to be extremely tight. Next, insert the tongue into the hitch and align the holes on the right side of the hitch. Hand tighten the bolt into the hitch, then use the wrench provided or a 22mm socket wrench to tighten the bolt until it is very snug. Then install the safety pin as well. The T-bar portion of the LongArm has 3 heights on it. You will need to determine which height will work best for you. Once figured out, take the small bolt, washers, and nut and line up the holes and begin to tighten down with the wrenches provided. Again, you do not need to over tighten this bolt. Now install the end caps with the small Allen bolts provided. The LongArm has 4 different positions depending on your needs. Completely vertical for the roof with the purchase of an extension, 2 middle positions for your truck bed rails with the purchase of additional crossbars, or the bottom position for the height of your truck bed. With your height decided, install the bolt with the gray knob and tighten down into place. With the LongArm fully installed, you can now load your boat. At the truck bed position, you will have a 300-pound weight limit. Be sure to tie down the boat to the LongArm and inside of your truck bed. With longer loads, be sure to attach your safety flag as well. Thanks for watching the installation of the Yakima LongArm Hitch Extension. If you have further questions, visit us at rackwarehouse.com or call us at 800-272-5362. And always remember, we fit your lifestyle.